Good morning, students. Back with your GK class. Now, as we have completed up to experimental learning, now we will move to the category sports. In sports, we will cover today two topics: sports awards and basketball. Sports awards is page number 8, basketball is page number 28. Sports awards. Identify these sports awards and write their names. Established by the government in 1961 for excellence in sports, the award holds a cash prize of 5 lakh, a bronze statue and a scroll. A sports person must have an excellent performance for the previous 3 years at international level to be eligible for the award, along with extraordinary qualities like leadership, sportsmanship, and a sense of discipline. So, this award category's name is Arjun Award. Second, instituted in 1985, this award is presented by the Indian government for brilliance in sports coaching. The award consists of a bronze figurine, a cash prize of 5 lakh, and a scroll of honor. Since the best sports award is named Arjun Award, it would be appropriate that the best coaching award is named as Guru of Arjuna, that is Dronacharya Award. 3. This award is the highest lifetime award in sports and games in India and is represented by the Indian government. Initiated in 2002, the award holds a cash prize of 5 lakh, a figurine, ceremonial dress, and a scroll of honor. It is named after renowned Indian hockey player, so that is Dhyan Chand Award. Fourth, in India, this award is the highest honor given for accomplishment in sports. The term Khel Ratna, translated in Hindi, literally means the sports gem, named after a former Prime Minister of India. The award carries a medal, a significant each prize of 7,50,000 and a scroll of honor. The award was initiated in 1991-92. So that is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Fifth, the award is given mainly to the overall top winners in the inter-university tournaments. In Punjab, the Maharaja Ranjit Singh Award is given by the government of Punjab for excellence achievement in the field of sports. So that is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Award. So this completes our sports award. Now comes basketball. Sports. Basketball dates back as far as 1981 and since then has evolved into a sport played around the world. Many countries have adopted the game such as Russia, Great Britain, Germany, Spain and parts of Asia. But it is America where the biggest and most lucrative league in the world lives, the NBA, that is National Basketball Association. Now you can see the design of the court of the basketball. Now what are the rules of basketball? Each team can have a maximum of 5 players on the court at any one time. Substitutions can be made as many times as they wish within the game. The ball can only be moved by either dribbling or passing the ball. Once a player puts 2 hands on the ball, they cannot then dribble or move with the ball and the ball must be passed or shot. After the ball goes into a team's half and they win possession, back the ball must then make it over the halfway within 10 seconds. If the ball fails to do so, then a foul will be called and the ball will be turned over. Each team has 24 seconds to at least shot at the basket. A shot constitutes either going in the basket or hitting the rim of the basket. If after the shot is taken and the ball fails to go in the basket, then the shot clock is restarted for another 24 seconds. The team trying to score a basket is called the offense, while the team trying to prevent them from scoring is called the defense. The defense must do all they can to stop the offense from scoring by either blocking a shot or preventing a shot from being fired. So an Indian professional basketball player name is given as Satnam Singh Bhamra. Then after each successful basket, the ball is then turned over the opposition. Fouls committed over the game will be accumulated and then reached a certain number will eventually be awarded as a free throw. A free throw involves one player from the offensive team to take a shot unopposed from the free throw line. The number of free throws a player gets depends on where the foul was committed. Violations in basketball include traveling, double dribble, goaltending, and backcourt violation. Now, scoring. There are 3 scoring numbers for basketball players. Any basket scored from outside the 3-point arc will result in 3 points being scored. Basket scored within the 3-point arc will result in 2 points being scored. Successful free throws will result in 1 point being scored per free ball throw. Winning a game of basketball is pretty simple. Score more points than your opponents in the allotted game time. If the score are tied at the end of an extra quarter will be played until a winner is found. Now choose the correct answer. Not bounding the ball quickly enough results in a 5-second violation. An unguarded attempt to score from a line 15 feet from the basket is called free throw. Using the hands to interfere with or limit an opponent's freedom of movement is called holding. As soon as the ball is given to the free throw shooter or a thrower on a throw-in, the play is considered to be live. The maximum number of consecutive seconds an offensive player can be in the paint is 3. Taking more than 2 steps without dribbling the ball is called traveling, walking, both of the above. Where do you go if you get fouled in the act of shooting? So that is 3-point line. The ball handler takes 3 steps without dribbling. What violation did he commit? That is traveling.